Are you guys ready to come check out the hottest new unit in Carmel Valley? Let's go take a look. Are you looking to be walking distance to some of the best schools, shopping, and amenities in all of San Diego County? We got them. Looking for premium luxury amenities in Carmel Valley? We got them. Are you looking for one of Carmel Valley's largest 2-bedroom floor plans? We got them. Are you looking for brand new luxury vinyl plank and all new paint throughout? We got them. If you're looking to live the Carmel Valley lifestyle, make sure to reach out to us today.